What that highlighted in my mind when I saw the proposal was like job guarantee. Like that's the thing that highlighted, because you can do all the work, but at the end if you don't have a job, uh, it's of no use. So that was the one thing, the placement support. So that my mind, like I needed a good job that time. Uh, I had offers from like a TCS, Infosys. Like in my mind, I was pretty much sure like I'm not going to join that and waste several years of my life. So I will do things differently and see how it goes. So it went well, apparently. It was slightly intimidating for me because everything was new, and started working on stuff, started learning, and uh, initially it was slightly rough for me because uh, I didn't have much development experience. Like I have coding experience as in preparing for a data structures and algorithm, but I haven't built anything out of it from scratch. So that was something new, like building something and stuff. That was after that I gained confidence in, believe it or not, like I was working 16 or 18 hour per day because I got so hooked to that, like building something, and I've completed my project and redoing it to make it better somehow, to add validation and stuff. So yeah, it happened. Gone through all the concepts and did around 80 to 100 questions uh, day in day out sort of. So got done with that, and there was another thing like companies asked for system design rounds. So there is LLD thingy. So I've gone through multiple videos like how actually interviews take place, what is the flow. I figured out, wrote key pointers, like arrange some resources, gone through them all, and haven't appeared any interview or like that. So just uh, I started preparing, read few books, and just went in, and it went exceptionally well as well. It was impressed and was like, yeah, it was great interaction with them. And then have this thing like in backend part. Front end is okay, but I've learned a lot in backend engineering and how it goes on the new type of protocols. Gone through them so many times and iterating over them again and again. Like I can say I'm like very much confident in them because of that. And how basically it really helps, like being a front end engineer, being a back end engineer, you don't know like uh, how things going on the other end. So having an idea of like what's up, what's happening on the other end really helps on like making decisions on your own end. So that's something that I've learned. And said referring someone. Uh, so the first person came in my mind is one is my own brother. Like he's in college and he's in second year. Almost second year completed. He's in third year. So uh, I was already planning to like refer him in his final year starting, so he can get a good opportunity and learn his stuff. That was in on two interviews were going on parallelly at Siemens as well as PayU. So the thing was like, uh, I'm getting confirmation from here and getting confirmation there. Your first round is clear. ठीक है, देखते हैं अभी और होगा आगे, पता नहीं कैसे होगा, हार्ड होता जाएगा. फिर सेकंड राउंड हुआ सेम, वो भी like for some week after every interview, I asked interviewer and HR for like what was my feedback, what was the like what are the things that I can work on, so I can just write them down and work on them. So HR was like, no interview was pretty much satisfied with how it went, and congratulations, you are on the team. So at that time, like I was like, इतनी जल्दी अभी तो हुआ है. Like I called, like interview happened at 5:30. I got called at 5:35. Just 5 minutes later, congratulating me, yeah, you are selected. So yeah, that's the journey so far.